In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Trello. If you're new to Trello or just looking for a quick way to set up your tasks efficiently, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this together step by step. So by the end of these 5 minutes, you'll have a functioning Kanban board ready to help organize your workflow. To begin, head over to Trello's website. If you don't have the link handy, simply search for Trello in your browser. Once you're on the Trello homepage, the first thing you need to do if you haven't already is to log in. Look for the login button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up from this page as well. Just follow the prompts provided. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Trello dashboard, a place where all your boards are neatly organized. It's here that you can access all the specific projects or tasks that you're managing. Now let's go ahead and create a new board. Look for the boards option. This is typically found on the sidebar or top navigation bar. Click on boards and it will lead you to a view showing all the boards associated with your account. Next up, we want to create a new board. There's an option labeled Create that you should see once you're on the boards page. Give that a click. When you click Create, you're provided with an opportunity to bring a new project, idea, or task management board to life within Trello. You'll have various templates or blank board options to choose from. Now, for a quick and efficient setup, we're going to use the Kanban template provided by Trello. After clicking on Create, look for the option that says Kanban Template. Select this option. This template is designed to facilitate a Kanban style workflow, which is perfect for visualizing your tasks as they move from one stage to another, such as to do, in progress, and done. This template is very helpful if you're managing projects or tracking progress on specific tasks. Your new board will be automatically populated with columns that represent these stages, and you can start adding tasks or cards to each column. These cards can be moved between columns as the status of your tasks changes, providing a visual and dynamic representation of your workflow. And there you have it. In just a matter of minutes, you've successfully created a Kanban board in Trello. It's now ready for you to customize further, add more details, and start managing your tasks effectively. Remember, Trello's interface is pretty intuitive, so don't hesitate to explore other features like labels, due dates, and attachments that can further enhance your productivity. Thank you so much for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Trello board set up smoothly.